Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Beauty Health Binge. And friends, if you are new to my channel, so please note that this whole channel is dedicated for skincare, health care and hair care. So friends, today we are talking about simple facial cleanser. A good face wash purifies, cleanses and removes the dirt from your pores. Buying right face wash is essential, and for this we all have to know our skin well. When it comes to irritants, we need to be very careful because certain acids we can only wear at a certain percentage. Well friends, let's talk about its packaging. It comes in big size, squeezable, pleasant green colored tube with all the details written on the tube. As you can see, all the details are mentioned here, and it has a flip-flop cap having a nozzle from which the product comes out. Well friends, it is transparent, thin gel like smooth, not too runny texture. As you can see, when I applied and massaged the simple facial cleanser onto my face, it gives a slight amount of lather. It gives a cooling effect and doesn't irritate eyes or skin, which I like. After application, when I started washing it off, I feel like slippery consistency, which to be honest may take your more water and time to wash it off thoroughly. After the wash, I feel this cleanser is hydrating, moisturizing, soothing. Well, with the regular use of this product, this simple face wash, I discovered that this face wash doesn't work well for pimples and dry patches. It removes makeup pretty well. This face wash is mild and won't harm your skin. So if you are someone who loves mild cleanser, then simple refreshing facial wash is for you. This might not impress you by first use, but your skin will going to love it and is a great choice for winters. Being free from harsh chemicals, its regular use will make your skin fresh, soft and start to appear healthy and glowing. So what I love about this brand is that they are avoiding denatured alcohol. They don't use fragrance and they are avoiding essential oils, which are really the worst culprits when it comes to the skincare. Some of the cons are it doesn't purify your skin well, and if you have extra dry skin, it will not work for you. As I mentioned earlier, that it doesn't take care of dry patches. So friends, this was for today. Hope you have found it helpful. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. फ्रेंड्स यार जल्दी करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो. आप लोग वीडियो देखते हो पर लाइक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. वेरी बैड यार फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग मेरे साथ ऐसा करते हैं, मेरा तो दिल ही टूट जाता है.